This is the hump on the back of a camel. Due to the scarcity of camels, it rarely makes its way to people's dining tables. In ancient times, it was considered a delicacy enjoyed exclusively by the royal court. Chefs begin by separating the hump's skin and meat meticulously, employing a knife technique that requires patience. In less than 2 minutes, a whole piece of intact hump skin is skillfully removed. Following this, the chef cuts the hump into halves from the center, slicing the camel hump meat into thick slices. Camel hump meat has a high fat content with a delicate and succulent texture. Once cleaned, excess moisture is wiped off the hump meat with a towel. Subsequently, each piece of camel hump meat is evenly coated with a layer of fine salt and neatly arranged in a dish for marination. The marination process aims to draw out excess moisture and eliminate any unwanted flavors from the camel hump meat. After marination, the excess salt is shaken off, and the meat is rinsed with clean water. Before preparing the barbecue sauce, the meat is soaked in water for 20 minutes. The barbecue sauce varies according to local tastes, typically consisting of a mixture of chili, pepper, turmeric, and garlic. The camel hump meat is then pounded with a knife to create an appealing shape, uniformly coated with barbecue sauce and skewered together. White waxwood bark is used as the charcoal for grilling. The chef crushes the bark into wood chips, ignites them, and places the burning wood chips in the brazier. The camel hump meat is suspended in the central part of the brazier. When the white waxwood chips burn, they release a fragrant aroma. After covering the brazier, the temperature inside rises rapidly. After being grilled for 4 hours, the camel hump meat can be taken out. When the camel hump meat is cut open from the middle, the milky white flesh has a dense, cheese-like texture. Following local dietary habits, it is often sandwiched between grilled bread, offering a deliciously rich and succulent experience that leaves you craving more.